Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video with your boy ronz.y. Now today, got part 2 to the last one. Now we gotta hook up the speakers, okay? You might remember this thingy right here, okay? Yes, I know, it's beautiful. And we got these. Yes, I know, this is beautiful too. But we need speakers. Like, we need speakers. We need to hear sound. You know what I mean? We need to hear sound. So without further ado, let's go ahead and grab a knife. Once again, not the tactical surgeon knife, but a regular knife. Now, with this, right, y'all, this is the Logitech. Before you open it, this is the Logitech Z200. Wow! Oh, let me move this slide out the way. Move the camera. See, there we go. This is Logitech Z200. I don't know how it looks for y'all. I'm gonna show you. Logitech Z200s, okay? Now the lighting is slightly dark. I needed to give me some better lighting, but that's all coming soon. Z200, 10 watts, okay? I guess this 10 watts, or it might just be 10W. Don't really know. I don't think it takes any wattage because I don't think it has a power port. And if it does, that is something we'll have to figure out then. But this is pointless because this is not going to react like that. So let's go ahead. Yeah, so this is my, I'm trying to get my school set up and done and everything else like that. And hopefully this makes it better. I mean, it will, because I don't have sound right now. This will have to make it better. You see what I'm saying? So in the box we have 2 speakers. Go ahead and pull these guys out. I don't know this like out. I don't really know. Okay, it might be one in this box. And yep, go ahead and pull these out. 1 second, and we'll be back when it's all hooked up.
3 hours later.
Alright, you two are back, and yes, they are now officially plugged up, and they should be ready to go. So already, I'm loving this larger design right here. It's pretty big, if you guys can tell. The speaker is pretty big compared. Well, it's about half the size of the monitor, right? These things are pretty big, and I'm already loving this blacked out style knob. I think if you turn it, yeah, see, there you go, it turns on. It looks really, 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 really cool, and yeah, I just really already enjoy it. Let's go ahead and find some music. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, these speakers are literally phenomenal. There's like, let me see if there's anything else these speakers can do, because this is like, this is blowing my mind. And they're literally only $25 on Best Buy. Probably found it cheaper from somewhere else, honestly. I mean, wow. See, bass extension. Yeah, y'all, this is phenomenal. These sound amazing for $25. I would really think these are like $100. Wow. Okay. Yeah, y'all. I do recommend getting these if you. Okay. If you want to like this starter, you know, if you're not doing too much, you don't need like the big, you know, boom box and everything else like this. I really do recommend these. These sound great for $25. These sound like my Beats, and those are Beats. Yeah, yo. That's the end of this video. It is currently 4:53. So we'll be seeing y'all later. Peace.